Hello children, welcome back. Here we are going to do the exercise on adjectives, but in the previous video we have already completed 3 questions. Now we are going to do the continuation. So let's continue doing this exercise, filling the blanks using the correct form of adjectives given in the bracket, same page number 46. So now we are going to do the next 4 questions. So let's continue doing our exercise. Fourth question, we went up on the mountains in the slow train. The adjective given is slow. Slow is an adjective. We need to find out whether we are comparing this train with two trains or among the group or there is no comparison. Yes, here we are comparing the train between many trains among the group of trains. That is, we are telling that we went up on the mountains in the very slow train only. So, when we talk about the comparison, we show the best or worst in a group means we need to change the adjective in the superlative form. So to make an adjective into the superlative form, we need to add est at the end of the adjective. So let's check it out the answer. The correct answer is we went up on the mountains in the slowest train. So here we have added est at the end of the adjective, that is slow. So now slow became slowest. Let's go for the fifth one. Where can I get the good juice in this area? So we are talking about the good juice in this area, in the whole area. It means among the group only. So when the comparison shows the best or worst in a group, we need to change the adjective into which form? Very good. Like the previous question, we need to change this adjective into superlative form. So good will become into best. So let's read out the correct answer. Where can I get the best juice in this area? So whenever we are changing an adjective into superlative degree or superlative form, the adjective will take est or it will take any other new word only. So the superlative form for the adjective good is best. Keep in your mind. Let's move on to the next question. I have one sister, she is old than me. So here we are comparing two sisters, that is two girls. So one girl is telling that she has a sister and she is old than her. That is, here the given adjective is old only. We are comparing two persons. So when a comparison is made between two persons, we need to take or the adjective will take the comparative form only. So what do we need to add to the word old? Very good. We need to add er at the end. So let's read out the correct answer. I have one sister. She is older than me. So old became older. We have added er because here we are talking about the comparison between two persons. Let's go for the last one. My dog is fast than your dog. Here again we are talking about the comparison which is made between two animals. So whenever we are talking about the comparison which is made between two persons or two animals, we need to add er at the end of the adjective. So what will be the correct answer, children? Very good. Fast will become faster. Let's read out the correct answer. My dog is faster than your dog is the correct answer. Here the adjective fast takes er at the end. So fast became faster. So children, we have learned about the adjective for comparison, that is positive degree, comparative form and superlative form. I hope you are clear about this exercise. I'll meet you in the next video. Thank you.